time to break up with machines that don't fit your life. Introducing TYPHON STOMP V1000. Compact, powerful, goes where you need it. Basically, it's a ninja. Full hydraulic pilot controls, 33 liters per minute flow, 80 megapascals of working pressure, 30 to 40 liters per minute auxiliary hydraulic flow. Kubota D1105 water-cooled diesel engine, 24 horsepower, EPA Tier 4, delivering 18.2 kilowatts. Premium hydraulic components, heavy-duty electrical system. Equipped with timing, load-sensing piston pump, and load-sensing control valve group, efficient power delivery with fast response and minimal energy loss. 1,720 pounds operating capacity, maximum lifting height of 2,852 millimeters. 1,760 millimeter turning radius, 360 degrees of mobility. 980 mm chassis and 1,000 mm bucket width. Built for land clearing, debris removal, farms and agriculture, moving materials, and can work in any weather, any condition. Built up to a standard. Quick swap attachment system. 30 to 40 lira per minute auxiliary hydraulics. Foam padded operator platform. 20-liter diesel tank. 22 liters hydraulic oil capacity. This machine is built to last.